The Chatham designer home offers endless options, making it a great floor plan for everyone. It offers 2,844 square feet with 4 bedrooms and 3.5 bathrooms. A study with French doors greets you off the foyer. This could make a wonderful formal dining room, home office, or playroom. The choice is yours. The chef's kitchen boasts a large center island, granite counters, and a walk-in pantry. With an open concept design, your kitchen overlooks the dining nook, morning room, and family room with fireplace. A unique feature about this home is a first floor bedroom that includes a closet and full bath. Your first floor also offers a powder room and 2-car garage. The owner's suite is found on the second floor and has a tray ceiling, 2 walk-in closets, and private bath with tub and ceramic tile shower. This home has a flexible loft space, 2 additional bedrooms, full bath, and laundry area. This home is located in Taylor Farm, which features a tranquil, wooded community with great features all will enjoy. Make this home yours today by contacting us at HHHunthomes.com. HH Hunt, because it's how you live that matters.